These guys are now attempting to pull the truck that fell into the Puruni River. Let me see. Yesterday. What date was yesterday? I can't remember. On the 15th. Looks like it is coming up. Anyways, stuff for floating. The truck is moving, so stuff for floating.
That's why I want to here. The truck will coming up. Pay attention to the fact that the truck coming up in the fucking here.
Yep.
The truck coming up.
There it is.
You know, but it's coming somehow. Nothing good, no.
A lot of stuff.
Jump in the boat, yo.
A lot of stuff for floating. And that guy is just there. Well, that's the driver in blue. He seems to be just standing right there, and should something happen to the wire rope, let us hope nothing happens to the wire rope. And the truck is coming. It's coming by the back, fortunately. It's on wheels. It's coming. It's coming to get you. Not a shark attack. Gonna eat you like a maniac. Wow, I'm seeing cases look like beverages. I can only assume alcoholic beverages, maybe Guinness beers. I don't know if it's Harry Wheels. You hear one of the commentators here getting some interesting commentaries here. This guy would have been motivated had he known. But I told you that the thing was loaded, buddy. Remember I tell you it loaded? Remember I tell you it loaded, buddy?
I should really be serious at the moment and go and get some beers and Guinness to drink. That's on the roads.
Okay. Guinness on your mind all the time. What is what buy some Gatorade? I could do some Gatorade. I really can't afford for drinking this right now anyway. Yeah, Guinness just make you want to do things that you ain't supposed to be doing. Oh, what the youth man alone, they're pulling up the truck, they're just now there, by. Okay, so the business is back in action. They will shorten the wire, rope, whatever you want to call it. And here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go again. These guys, that's the truck that's pulling it, that's winching it up. Seeing that they're encountering some issues. The barrel or whatever pulls the wire rope. The barrel of the winch. Alright. Okay, now they're trying to realign the wire. That's I got somewhat tangled. I don't know, it was came out of wherever it was in the barrel. I know it's too stiff, I guess, to manage to untangle, so you just gotta release the tension there. I said tech slack there, tech slack. Oh baby, baby, please, how will lover come to me?
Can't reverse. Chuck them on the lead. Yeah, you put it over your cover.
Seem to have been untangled. So you just gotta hook it back there and keep on winching. Got it all up.